hold your sign up. Let me see y'all signs. Breast cancer awareness. We are joining the fight, y'all. Rev up to fight breast cancer. Let's go. Follow Doc.
Oh, he throwing up signs.
Do Doc got a sign?
Yeah.
All right. You ready? Let's go.
These would be a good fan is that?
Yeah. Oh, Rev up is on its way. Who's screaming? Aaron. Where's your sign, Aaron? I see you, Jeffrey. I see you, Nay. Jeffrey, hold your sign up. Woo! All right. I seen you. All right. Come on, Miss Sonia. Yeah.
She said, yeah.
She said, yeah. Breast cancer awareness. Yes, Rev Up is doing our part. All right. Woo. Uh-oh. Got it, baby? Oh, Miss Dory done came on down that hill. All right. Hey, Greg, where's your sign? Oh, Gregory got his sign up. Breast cancer awareness. Doc, where your sign? You don't got no sign? They wrong. Okay, Doc got Doc got his sign with the breast on it. How come Doc gotta have a sign like that? How come Doc gotta have the tatas? That's all I'm saying. Yeah. He got the tatas. Right.
I got the tata.
Breast cancer awareness. Yes. Everybody hold their sign up. Very important. There we go. There we go, Miss Sonia. There you go. You making it. Ooh, it's a little chilly out. Ooh, God bless you. Ah, yes. Breast cancer awareness. That's right, Dale.